a very long string that has maybe some data entry or something like that in it. And as we'll see in just a second, if we're using a reducer in our application, we can do some neat things. But if all I need is just some list that displays all of the text values, then I can stop right here because I have what I need, and this is what I'm going to get back when I run my query, are just these single values. So if I do use a reduce, let's say maybe in this case I want to do a word count, and this is sort of the typical example of MapReduce. So in this case, when my reducers run, it's going to be given an array of, an IEnumerable actually of keys and an IEnumerable of values. And I can go through those and I can say, okay, well, if for each key where I was given text, which is all I should have been given, I'm going to take the value and I'm going to count, I'm going to do a very naive word count here. We would actually do something a bit more sophisticated if we were doing proper word counts, but I'm just going to do something simple here to illustrate the point. And I'm going to split by space, and then I'm going to count the number of segments that I get and increment the word count accordingly. And when my reducer is done, it's just going to return the integer word count value. And so when my query runs, in this case, as we'll see in just a second, the query would then return back a single row with just that integer value. And this is what allows us to do some very powerful things. Like we can have multiple